Muslims celebrate Hari Raya to give thanks and to celebrate their success in completing their month-long fasting period of Ramadan.
The phrase Hari Raya is a Malay term meaning a day of celebrations.
Hari Raya is welcomed with much joy and goodwill. Although it is not a religious requirement, Muslims wear new clothes, visit relatives and friends and indulge in delicious food.
Hari Raya starts with special prayers at mosques or open spaces. These prayers are performed as a congregation.
After the morning prayers, Muslims return home to celebrate Hari Raya with their families.
An important custom of Malay Muslim in Singapore is to seek forgiveness from one another, especially from older members of the family.
This custom is considered as a means of abandoning past animosity and strengthening bonds between family members and friends.
The Malay phrase Maaf Zahir Batin is often heard during Hari Raya, and it means forgiveness from all physical and emotional wrongdoing.
After the morning meal with the family, Muslims here would visit homes of their close relatives.
The homes of the elderly members of the family would be visited first, followed by younger family members.
It is not uncommon for Malays and Muslims here in Singapore to take almost 1 month to finish visiting the homes of their family members and friends.
Muslims are decked out in their best clothes.
For the Malays, the traditional baju kurung remains the favorite outfit.
It is not uncommon for family members to wear baju kurung of the same color.
Sweet meats called kueh are served in all homes, often served with sweet, hot or cold drinks.
Sometimes, a full meal of ketupat or lontong are also served.
An interesting custom is giving money to children as a gesture of affection and to enhance the festive mood.
This is a common custom in many Asian societies. In the past, adults would simply hand out coins or currency notes.
These days, possibly taking the cue from the Chinese, Malays place money in colourful festive envelopes.
Wajib dan dodol, jangan lupakan peninggalan nenek. Zaman berzaman, asyik bersembang.
Accept the invitation. Be mindful of the time spent as you would not want to impose on your host.
While you are not expected to bring a gift, do accept gift graciously when you're offered any.
Show respect to all elderly members in the house.
Respect the privacy of the host by choosing a seat that keep you away from viewing the private section of the house.
Remember, observing these etiquettes only ensures great time for both you and the host. Selamat Hari Raya.
Maaf Zahir Batin!